Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Blender tutorial how to add reference image. To add reference image is based on your view, like I will use the top view. You can click in this Z icon, we move to the top view. And the next to add for the reference image, click on add menu, click image and then use the reference. Now searching for your image, as example I will use this image, click add to insert into the drawing area. So we have this reference image. So I will change again slide into x-axis and you can go to add menu, image and use the reference. Open your image, click add empty image to insert into your drawing area. So that's it for the basic Blender 5.1 how to add reference image.